Yeah, I watch a lot of TV actually.
I like watching videos.
Who's better at video games?
Me. It's me. It's me.
It looks like a ginormous rat to me. Oh, get away, get away. Shoot, shoot, shoot.
He's very spiky.
Baby crocodiles.
Baby lizard.
It's called a newt. Do you two like bugs?
Not me. No, I don't like bugs. I throw them in the bin.
Is it gonna hurt us?
Don't pinch me.
Acorn.
Conquer.
Conquer. Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Oh, he's jumping.
I can't find it.
Where is it?
Lavender. Yeah, it is.
It smells like chocolate apple. Is it?
I'm not sure. It's definitely not a flower.
It's a type of fungus.
Mushroom!
Okay. Oh my god, what the hell is that? I believe it's a hedgehog.
What's that?
A pine cone. Oh, it feels like a bunny. It is a bunny.
I would rather play with a rabbit instead of my tablet.
I prefer to play with animals and watch TV. Rabbit, 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 rabbit.
He's allergic to them.
Too far.
Too far.
Oh no. Well, let's move the rabbit then.